We will multiply the quantity x to the 6th minus 4 and the quantity x to the 8th plus 4. Now we've got a product of two binomials here, and we'll do this by using the method that we call FOIL, which means that we'll multiply the first two terms, the two outside terms, the two inside terms, and finally the two last terms. And then we'll look to see if we can collect like terms at the end. So multiplying the first two terms of each binomial, I have x to the 6th times x to the 8th, which is x to the 14th power. The two outside terms give me x to the 6th times 4, or I can write that as 4x to the 6th power. The two inside terms give me the product negative 4 times x to the 8th. And the product of the last two terms of each binomial, I have negative 4 times 4, or negative 16. And I need now to look and see if I can collect like terms, and there are none that could be collected here. So this is the result, and if we wanted to write it in descending order, we could write x to the 14th minus 4x to the 8th plus 4x to the 6th minus 16.